In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a new credential. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this, then choose Credentials. You should arrive at a list of your current credentials. If you don't have any set up yet, you might not see anything in this chart. To add a new credential, click Add in the upper right-hand corner. First, select the type of credential. Click the arrow next to Type, and you can choose Qualification, Training Class, or Certification. Maybe I'll choose Training Class. Then give your credential a code. Maybe I'll just put that to have something there. Name your credential. I'm going to call this Frustrated Customer. This is a training class on how to deal with difficult customers at this restaurant. Then if you would like, give your credential an external ID. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add your credential, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Add. And now that credential has been added. That's how you can add a new credential. To learn how to adjust the settings for your new credential, such as setting up prerequisites and stations, check out the next video.